Okay, so going forward, you should be able to identify any 6/4 chord that comes up as one of these four types. So cadential 6/4, a neighboring 6/4 or a pedal 6/4, same thing, a passing 6/4 or an arpeggiating 6/4. Very extremely rarely will you have a chord that a 6/4 chord, a second inversion chord, that you cannot put one of those four labels on. One voice leading thing to consider. We didn't talk about voice leading too much when we were doing this, but when you're writing these in four-voiced harmony, double the bass of the chord. That'll be the fifth, right? For the first chord in all types. Typically, we don't like to double the fifth, but in these 6/4 cases, the fifth is what is on the bottom. So it's typically what we do. Let's see if we have an example of that we did. Here, it's kind of. So what key are we in here? F. So we doubled the fifth of the 6/4 chord. That's what I mean. So here's the 6/4 chord. It's these four notes. And what's doubled is the fifth, which is the bass. Remember, we do like to double the bass. So when you're in four-voice harmony, double the fifth on the 6/4 chord. It'll be the bass note. You don't have to do it like this. It could be that your doubling is in a higher voice. It doesn't always have to be the bass and tenor voice, but make sure the fifth is the one doubled. Okay, so those are our four types of 6/4 chords. Now let's talk about using them to expand the tonic area. But before that, let's do a quick worksheet just to drive this home, and then we'll talk about expanding the tonic area, some things we can do with 6/4 chords, and some other tricks for expanding the tonic area.